Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss out on our updates and get notified about our new videos.
A lot of brands use Facebook for promoting discounts. However, this unfortunately pushes people away from the brand because it gets a little too annoying. Rules should not be restrictive. In fact, in understanding rules, there are a lot of opportunities that we can look at. And that's some of the things that I want to discuss in this video. Let's look at a few do's and don'ts of Facebook community management in terms of the rules and how we can actually use them to our benefit. So make sure you always use a very clear profile picture with the brand name and logo. This helps people identify your brand and obviously creates a very clear recognition in their minds. Always post a great cover photo which highlights not only the benefits of the brands, and also do keep updating this as your campaigns change. In doing so, essentially create content that audiences want and make sure you test and boost them accordingly. There's no perfect formula for this, but as we discussed in previous modules, you have to be flexible with your content strategy. You also can use a lot of live videos to connect with audience and also broadcast your events. Make sure you also A/B test your campaigns regularly. A/B testing is basically testing different types of content that work, and you can measure the community's response according to this and obviously invest your time, resources, and energy into what works. You need to be flexible in doing this, as what might work once may not actually work again with another audience or at another period of time. Make sure you monitor and analyze different kinds of response and generate insights. In doing this, you are able to generate a lot of business intelligence, and you can use that accordingly to improve your advertising and promotions. Essentially, make sure you put this on your calendar and have a date either every week or every month for analyzing this, depending on the types of campaigns that you're running. Always reboost and promote your most successful content. This creates a lot of frequency of communications, thereby generating a lot of recall amongst your audiences. And in doing so, be flexible, always, and experiment with different types of content. That is, instead of using just simple plain text, you can also use videos, infographics, or visual content that actually is very appealing to the audience. That means that it won't be as boring as just using plain text. Now, on the list of don'ts, it's important not to post too often and spam community members. This can be really annoying, and then make sure that your brand is not fresh at all. And in doing so, your content will become redundant very quickly. Don't forget to post multimedia posts. As I discussed this earlier, using different types of posts is very essential to creating fresh and engaging content. Don't forget to respond to audience messages. I can't tell you how many brands have gone wrong with this. In using social media, one of the biggest advantages is that it's a two-way conversation, and the platforms can be used to connect with your audiences to understand what their grievances or their challenges are. And in doing so, in responding to your audiences, you can actually create a lot more engagement. Don't self-promote yourself too much. Understand what the audiences and the communities are interested in and promote according to their interests. This will always ensure that engagement and content are not just fresh, but also that you build a much better relationship with your audiences over a longer period of time. Don't focus only on sales. I have been saying this right from the first video, and the reason that I re-emphasize this is because a lot of brands lose credibility and engagement because they focus only on sales. Set a clear goal for yourself and for Facebook, and ensure that you engage with audiences and time and again interact with them to understand what you could be doing better. This will automatically lead to a lot of sales and, of course, increase in revenue and profits. Don't use bad grammar and spellings. A few brands that I've worked with in the past, in hurry to get content out, always ended up posting content with a lot of errors. It's okay to be a little late, but make sure that you always check before posting anything out there. The simple rules for Facebook marketing will always ensure that we are actually very successful in our overall social media marketing activities. In this video, we discuss what to do and not do in Facebook community management.
Hey, thanks for watching. Do like the video, share it, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Check out exclusive coupon codes for our YouTube learners in the description and visit MoneyPalProLearn.com to redeem it.